Hello friends, welcome back to the next video. Same problems on calculation of interest on drawings under average period method. So now problem number 4. There are three partners. See, Amar, Akbar and Anthony are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1. So three partners, they are going to share on this ratio, means profit and losses. Okay, now the condition is saying that during the year, see, Mr. Amar means the first partner. Mr. Amar has withdrawn rupees 1500 at the beginning of every month. So beginning of every month means every month, like 1st April, 1st May, 1st June, 1st July, 1st every month beginning. What is doing is withdrawing rupees 1500 rupees. Now the second partner, Mr. Akbar, is also withdrawing the money. Mr. Akbar has withdrawn rupees 2500 at the middle of every month. Middle of every month means the 15th of every month. 15th April, 15th May, 15th June, 15th July, August, September till March 15th. And the last partner, Anthony, even though Anthony is also withdrawing, Mr. Anthony is withdrawing rupees 500 rupees at the end of every month. So rupees 500 rupees is withdrawing at the end of every month. Now what the problem is saying, see, all the partners are withdrawing in different time period. So now you should calculate the interest on drawings by applying beginning of the every month formula to Amar, middle of every month to Akbar and end of every month to Mr. Anthony. The year ending on 31st March every year, calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 6%, 7% and 8% per annum respectively. So now what the percentage is saying, see, they have given 3 percentages. It means 6% for Amar, the first partner, and the 7% for Akbar and the 8% for Anthony. Now first we'll do one by one. First we will go for Mr. Amar. See, he is withdrawing at the beginning of every month. So now shall we calculate? See, Mr. Amar, interest on drawings. Now see how much he is withdrawing. He is withdrawing 1500 every month. See, they are saying 1500 rupees beginning of every month. So now what we should do? So 1500 into 12. So you should convert into year. So 1500 into 12. So 18,000 rupees is interest total drawings. 18,000 rupees is total drawings. Now apply the formula. Interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest divided by 100 into 13 by 2. See, since this is a beginning of every month, so you should calculate 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. Now total drawings, see, we have calculated here 1500 into 12, that is 18,000. So 18,000 into, so see the percentage. The first percentage is 6%. Apply this. 6 divided by 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. The answer is 585 rupees per month. What? Interest on drawings of Mr. Amar. Now the second one, Mr. Akbar has withdrawn rupees 2500 at the middle of every month. So now 2500 every month. So convert into year. See, calculation of Mr. Akbar interest on drawings, 2500 into 12, that is 30,000 rupees. You should multiply this. Now apply the formula. Interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest divided by 100 into 12 by 2. 12 by 2, why means, see here in the question, it is a middle of every month. If it is middle of every month, you should use 12 by 2 into 1 by 12. Next, calculate this. Total drawings 30,000 rupees. See, 30,000 is the total drawings into, see the percentage. The second percentage is how much? 7%. 7 divided by 100 into 12 by 2 into 1 by 12. So 1050 per month, 1050 per month. It's an interest on drawings of Mr. Akbar. Now the last partner, Mr. Anthony. Mr. Anthony has withdrawn rupees 500 at the end of every month. See, end of every month. So end of every month means you should apply the formula, then different one. See, this is Mr. Anthony's interest on drawings. So he is withdrawing rupees 500, convert into year. 500 into 12 because 12 months. So 6000 rupees he is withdrawing per in what for an year. Now total drawings into rate of interest into 11 by 2. So if it is end of every month, 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. Now total drawings is 6000. 6000 into 8 by 100 into 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. So the answer is 220 rupees per month. This is what the calculation of interest on drawings of all the partners, Mr. Amar, Mr. Akbar and Mr. Anthony. Okay, now we'll see the next one. Problem number 5. Same problem, nothing has changed here. Karan, Mohan and John, see 3 partners. Karan, Mohan and John are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. So this is just a profit loss sharing ratio, and this 3:2:1 nowhere appears in calculation of interest on drawings. During the year, Mr. Karan has withdrawn, see the first partner, Mr. Karan has withdrawn rupees 500 at the beginning of every month. See, every month beginning is withdrawing how much? 500 rupees. Next, the second partner, Mr. Mohan. Mr. Mohan is withdrawing rupees 250 at the middle of every month. And the third partner, Mr. John, see, Mr. John has withdrawn rupees 750 at the end of every month. So the same cases, nothing has changed here. Now the interest on drawings. So calculate interest on drawings at 5%, 6% and 7% per annum respectively. It means 5% for the first partner Karan and 6% for Mohan and 7% should charge for John. Now we will start with Karan. Karan is withdrawing how much? 500 at the beginning of every month. See, Mr. Karan interest on drawings 500 per month means you should multiply it by 12. 500 into 12, 6000 rupees. Now apply this. Interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest divided by 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. See, now 6000 rupees is the total drawings. Rate of interest 5%. So you can see here the rate of interest 5% for first partner. 5 by 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. Now the answer is 162.50, 160 rupees 50 paise, or you can make it as 163 rupees per month. You can round it. Here. So 163 rupees per month. Now second partner, Mr. Mohan, he has withdrawn rupees 250 at the middle of every month. So middle of every month means the formula has been changed. Now 250 rupees middle of every month. So convert into 12. 250 into 12, 3000 rupees. Now apply the formula. Total drawings into rate of interest by 100. See 12 by 2. So the 12 by 2 here, this is for middle of the month into 1 by 12. So the total drawing, see we have calculated here 3000 rupees. Apply here 3000 into 6 by 100. So 6%. You can see here the second partner's interest is 6% per annum. So 6 by 100 into 12 by 2. Since this is the middle of the month, so you should apply 12 by 2 into 1 by 12. So the answer is 90 rupees per month. This is for Mr. Mohan. Now We'll go for John. Mr. John has withdrawn rupees 750 at the end of every month. 750 rupees is withdrawing. So Mr. John interest on drawings 750 into 750 into 12. So 9,000 rupees total drawings. Next, interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate of interest divided by 100 into 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. So 11 by 2 you should use for at the end of the date. Total drawings 9,000 rupees. So the percentage they have given, see the percentage is 7%. So 9,000 into 7 by 100, so into 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. So the answer is 288 rupees 75 paise, or you can make it as 289 rupees per month. So this is what the calculation of interest on drawings under average period method. Okay, I'll send you few assignment problems. Please solve those problems and send it by Sunday evening.